Python 3 Pygame, Gary. My idea. The project was inspired by iPhone chess game and grip from Pygame Turtle. Python Turtle. Making pictures in Turtle was the most fun. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about screen size code and controls code, which I used in my project. 1. Make the window size big or small. 2. Set the WASD keys as player controls. Code explain. Code 1. Span for the image. The image class spans the image when caught. I can also change the speed for line 50. On line 71 and 72, I'm adding the pictures of the student and teacher. On line 79 and 80, it creates the picture in the game. This is how to play the game. So the up is the time and we need to run. Sometimes the teacher tells us like every 5 seconds teacher will add one. Like add one more. And if we were died, we will lose the game. And the up is show what second did we play the game. My favorite part about working on this project was playing the game and choose the pictures for the player and image. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, I will add more image pictures, add more people to play, add pictures at the back page. Thank you.